Imagine being caught in a storm that isn't just a storm, it's the end of the world. A flood so vast that it swallows everything: mountains, forests, even time itself. And in the middle of this endless ocean, a lone sage floats, fearless, searching for answers. This is the story of sage Markandeya and the cosmic deluge. A story that takes us to the very edge of existence, where the ordinary meets the divine. Sage Markandeya was no ordinary man. He was a seeker, a soul who wanted to touch the very fabric of the universe, to know what lay beyond the stars and the boundaries of the mind. His devotion was so deep that it caught the attention of the divine. And what happened next is a journey that defines belief. Markandeya lived in a tranquil forest, surrounded by nature's beauty, where he meditated with a heart full of devotion to understand the true nature of existence. One day, everything changed. The air grew heavy and a sense of something immense approached. The sky darkened and a storm unlike any other began. Rain poured from the heavens, not in drops, but in torrents, as if the universe itself was unraveling. The world around Markandeya was dissolving. Rivers overflowed, oceans expanded, and the entire earth seemed to sink beneath the rising waters. But Markandeya remained unmoved. He floated through the chaos, letting the waters carry him, his mind calm, his faith unwavering. Days and nights blurring together as Markandeya drifted, a glowing banyan tree, untouched by the flood. And on one of its leaves lay a small child, calm and smiling. The child's skin glowed a deep blue, and his eyes held the mysteries of the universe itself. Markandeya, who had faced the flood without fear, now felt something else, a sense that he was in the presence of something far greater than himself. The child looked at him with eyes full of love and mischief, and Markandeya felt himself being drawn closer. Without a word, the child invited Markandeya closer, and as the sage gazed into the child's eyes, he found himself being pulled into the child's mouth, a mouth that seemed to expand into infinity. In that moment, Markandeya experienced the unimaginable. He found himself inside the child, but what he saw was not darkness. It was everything: the sun, the moon, the stars, the entire universe. He saw creation, preservation, and destruction. He saw life, death, sorrow, joy, every aspect of existence, all within the child. Markandeya realized that this child was none other than Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. In that instinct, he understood the cosmic truth that the universe exists within the divine and the divine exists within all of us. He had glimpsed the eternal cycle of creation and dissolution, a dance that goes on forever. Suddenly, Markandeya found himself back in the ocean. The Vat Vriksha was gone, the child was gone, and the water had begun to recede. The world was being reborn, creation starting anew. Markandeya, drenched but filled with a profound peace, understood that he had witnessed something beyond words: the eternal, all-encompassing nature of the divine. It's a story of faith, of surrender, and of the divine mystery that lies within us all. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell